It is Jennifer Nicole Lee, master trainer, fitness artist, and super coach. No matter what you do, share out this video. Sharing is caring. A lot of you guys know me from my books, from the online coaching program, from TV, but I want you to know me as the woman that truly cares about your fitness goals. It's December, the last month of the decade. Not even a new year, we're going into a new decade. Now is the time to look back at the last 10 years and see what you did that you didn't like and make improvements for the next 10 years. And sadly enough, hundreds and thousands of us will be diagnosed with some kind of disease, cancer, sickness, illness that has to directly correlate with our exercise program or lack thereof. So here I come to give you a motivational kick in the butt. I'm just like Santa Claus with a big bag of tricks. I'm going to give you my top tips on to help you create a fitness program and then stick with it. Number one, you got to be consistent. You don't work out once and then you lose weight. You got to work out 4 to 6 times a week. So you have to set up a program that is sustainable, that you can do day in and day out without even thinking about it. That it's just grab and go. That's why I love to train in the comfort and the convenience of my own home. You don't have to deal with traffic, parking, going around that lost sea of exercise equipment, not knowing what to do, maybe feeling not confident. Also, you have to have a caloric deficit of 3,500 calories a week to lose 1 pound. That's 500 calories less every day. Again, how do you do that? Back to the working out, eating clean. You have to eat fat-fighting foods or supplements such as your keto oil or apple cider vinegar and your fat fruit flush. And you have to have a lean protein food plan, so that way you're doing your meal preps and all of that. Also, you have to have a good mental state of mind when you're going into a fitness program. It's going to be challenging. Other people might get in the way. So community, other like-minded women, and a coach are essential to setting yourself up for long-term fat loss success, because I want you, from the bottom of my heart, to live in your dream body. Because why? It's the only place that your spirit has to live. And when you master yourself by living a disciplined lifestyle, you know, you have integrity, you do what you say, and then you say what you do, right? And sadly enough, if you don't work out, no one else cares. They don't care about you. They just care about themselves. That's the type of world that we live in. So now is the time for you to redirect all that energy back to yourself, so you can take care of yourself. So you can say, you know what? I said I was going to work out 4 to 6 times a week, and I did it. I said I was going to, you know, take care of my fitness goals, and I did it. So right here is our December workout program. As you can see, we got tons of workouts in December, all the way up until the new year. We also have group coaching, which is so essential. So if you're looking for a fat loss program that is inexpensive, number one. Number two, is doable. Number three, is sustainable, that has a community, has a coach, is going to have challenges that make it fun, then jnlvip.com is for you. Now, many of my current clients are watching this. Thank you so much. We joined the challenge for December of benefiting Toys for Tots. And if you're not a member, highly consider it. You have nothing to lose. It's $1 for your first 30 days, and then $24.99 every month after that. No contract, no sneaky fees, and you will get results. And number one, you're going to fall back in love with yourself, fall back in love with fitness, and you're going to have fun achieving your goals. Now, we don't only just talk about fitness goals, we talk about financial goals, because I want you to have it all. Mind, body, spirit, holistic. Also, lifestyle success tips on how to deal with the haters, the sabotagers, self-sabotaging, goal setting, because it's going to be January, new year, new you, very quickly. So I really set everyone up for success, for lifelong success. I'm really excited. So I'm going live at 8 a.m. with Ninja Santa. It's going to be a kettlebell TKO workout. If you don't have kettlebells, you can still use dumbbells. I'll show you how. And it's going to be fun cardio that anyone can do. And I'm excited. So join me at jnlvip.com. Don't forget, sharing is caring. Share out this video, and let's make it a wonderful month and jump right into the new year. I believe in you. Love you. Hi, Brooke.